Welcome to the crypto. My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So in this video we're going to try something new. We're going to try to scan for triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities on Bitget crypto exchange. And of course you already know that prices of triangle crypto arbitrage scanner have dropped and all that good stuff. Let's just go through everything quickly. We have to do just to click get started, fill up with information and stuff like that. And once you fill up, just gonna choose any plan. So they have managed to pretty much drop all the prices so that we can cover up everyone else, because a lot of people are complaining that it is very expensive and stuff like that. And you can see that 1 month membership has now gone from all the way 100 USD to 60 USD and stuff like that. So this is actually a good subscription to start with right here. And when you go, just gonna click select and click continue to payment and choose any coin that you want to pay with. But other than that, then it's all good. Scanner still supporting almost all the crypto exchanges and stuff like that. In our previous video we scanned for triangle crypto opportunities on KuCoin, all right, and in this video we're gonna scan on Bitget, right? Because you can see that this can support pretty much all these crypto exchanges. All right, I'm 100% sure that you guys have got an account at least in any of these crypto exchanges and stuff like that. So if you have got an account in one of these crypto exchanges, then you're good to go. But other than that, let's scan for triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities, and then we're gonna take a live trade in my phone. You know, have to do is just to download the app, or can be like Bitget app or Coinbase app and stuff like that, and then you're just gonna execute triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities every day without any limits and stuff like that. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. Alright, so as you can see right now, we have logged in and stuff like that. It's all good, very simple dashboard, and anyone else can do this. And you can also use the scanner in your mobile phone, doesn't really matter. All you have to do is just to select your crypto exchange. So in our previous video, you already know that we scanned on KuCoin right here, and today we're gonna try something new, and we're gonna try to trade with less than 100 USD. All right, so that's what we're trying to do in this video, and we're trading on Bitget, right? So let's try something new, less than let's just put like 80 USD. All right, we're gonna trade with 80 USD, and we want to see the top 10 triangle crypto opportunities that are available on Bitget crypto exchange. And this is for auto trading. So if you are busy and stuff like that and you just want to automate the whole process, then you can just fill up your API keys and secret keys and stuff like that, and enable auto trading, and the scanner is going to be executing trades live from your crypto exchange. All right, so we made a lot of videos about that on this channel. Make sure you stick to the channel. And guys, if you want to have access to the scanner, make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a like button and comment, and we're randomly gonna pick up you know, winners and stuff like that, and then you're gonna give them free access to the scanner. Know what I mean? So let's do this, guys. Let's click apply and wait for opportunities. So as you can see right now, this is what we got. Didn't even take time, and this is how quickly this scanner is. All right, so it says best profit is 2.3%, and you can see that it's actually at the top right here. All right, and you can see that all we have to do is just we need some USDT in our account, and we're gonna swap to BTB, then to BTC, then from there to USDT. So I think this can be the best one at the moment, and we're just gonna execute this one right here. All right, the first one. So without further ado, guys, let's log in into my phone, and I'm gonna record my screen, and let's see what's gonna happen. Alrighty, so now we're in my phone, but before we start, guys, just wanted to show you something very important that we've been doing right here on Heavy Crypto channel. As you already know that we've been trading with AI. As you can see, these orders, these are open and close orders from AI and stuff like that. And this is really interesting, because every time I give you an update, you know, we take out some profits and stuff like that, and I recorded the whole journey, how I created an account and everything. If you're interested into trading with AI videos and everything, I'll leave our first video in the description below as well, so that you guys can check it out. But other than that, you can see that this AI is always in green, and it doesn't really take losses and everything. All right, and these are things that we want to see. But let's get back to our video. So we're trading on Bitget crypto exchange, as you can see right here. Very good stuff, right? And I've got 80 USD in my accounts right here, and we're gonna use this balance to trade for triangular crypto arbitrage. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna need some USDT, of course, and let's look for GB BGB, right? I think so. BGB, yeah, BGB to USDT. Excuse me. Yeah, let's look for BGB to USDT right here. All right, and we're just gonna spend the whole 80 USD that we have in our wallet right here. So we're spending 100% of it to get some BGB. All right, and this is the first step. So we're using a market order. You can also use a limit order and stuff like that. But because we want to execute this trade immediately without waiting and all that, then you know, market order makes sense. You know what I mean? What's happening here? Oh, okay. Yeah, you can also see that I've got 80 USD and we don't have any BGB right here, you see. So let's do this, guys. So we're gonna spend 100% to get some BGB. All right, just like that. Boom. Now we have got some BGB with 80 USD. All right. As you can see right here, we have got 37 worth of BGB. Cool. So now we're gonna have to sell this BGB to USDT. So I mean to BTC, not USDT. Gonna search right here, BGB to BTC. All right. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's go to spot and right here. All right, so we're gonna sell this BGB to BTC. All right, as you can see, we don't have any BTC and everything, so we're gonna sell 100% of it like this. All right, to BTC. Straightforward like this, and you still have like 6 minutes to complete this triangular crypto arbitrage. You know, very cool stuff. Now you have got some BTC, and then we're gonna have to sell this BTC to USDT. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right here and gonna search for BTC to USDT. All right, BTC to USDT. Let's just wait this one right here. All right, so we're gonna sell all of it 100% to USDT, and just like that we should be good to go. All right, so let's see. So as you can see, we started with 80 USD and now we have got at least 84 USD, and this is the power of triangular crypto arbitrage, and it didn't even take time. You know what I mean? So if you're interested, the scanner is going to be in the description below, as well as AI Phoenix trading with AI. All the videos going to be in the description below as well, or you can just go to the channel and check for videos that I was using AI to trade. You know what I mean? So this is, guys, my name is Arthur. I just wanted to make a quick one and update you guys that you know, prices are now very low, all-time low. You know what I mean? So that everyone can have access to the scanner and take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage. You know what I mean? Join the community. You're gonna join the private group whereby we discuss all the opportunities that are available in real time and everything. You know what I mean? So this is, my name is Arthur, and therefore, guys, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace, and cheers, guys.